Did you know that one of the most devastating tornadoes in history brought two high school students together who had never even talked before? Amanda and Marcus shared 3 classes at Joplin High School, but were complete strangers. Then, on May 22nd, 2011, an EF5 tornado destroyed their entire school just weeks before Amanda's graduation. Both students volunteered for the massive cleanup effort. Working side by side for 12-hour days, they finally got to know each other. Amanda discovered Marcus had been secretly helping elderly neighbors throughout high school. Marcus learned Amanda tutored struggling students for free every morning. As they sorted through the wreckage, Marcus found Amanda's damaged prom photos. He spent hours carefully cleaning and restoring them. During graduation in a borrowed gym, Marcus surprised Amanda by returning her photos along with a letter confessing feelings he'd kept hidden for years. The tornado that destroyed their school revealed a love that had been there all along. Today, Amanda and Marcus are married emergency responders who say that devastating day showed them what truly mattered.